Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Video Rumble free training. In this training, you are going to learn how to edit and animate videos using your smartphone. You are going to learn so many things in this training, and I'll be your tutor for this series. My name is Abu Siwak, and many people know me as the Billionaire Website Designer. In this training, you are going to learn how to create amazing videos. I mean, videos like how to create AI human avatar, how to create 3D cartoon animations, how to create motion videos, how to create product advert videos, logo animation, intro videos, and so many more. So many more whiteboard animation, so many more, everything with your smartphone and everything within the 7 days free training. So I'm going to make sure that things are very simplified for you. So if you are watching this video, just be rest assured that you have reached your last bus stop in video editing and animation. If you have been struggling before to learn this thing, I assure you that if you attend this training with full focus, you are going to learn without all those stress, because I'm here to guide you. You understand? So let us get started. In this particular video, I will show you how to turn a just I will turn any image into a video, like how to make any image talk, like a still image. I'm going to show you how to make it talk. So let us go ahead and start creating our stuff. Now we are going to be using an app. We're going to be using an app in this particular tutorial. So this is the app we're using, this Dop Lab. Please, I encourage you to always watch this video till the end. Always watch this tutorial till the end. If you don't watch it till the end, you are going to miss many things, and you are going to ask questions that I've already been addressed in the tutorial. Any of my tutorials, please watch it to the end so we won't have issues. Now, so I'm going to be deleting this app now, since I want to show you how you can download it yourself. So I'll delete this app and I'll just go to this Play Store. This is Google Play Store. If you have App Store too, you download it from App Store. So Google Play Store, and I'm going to click on this search icon here. So in your Google Play Store, this is how you see your own. When you open it, you will see it like this. So click on this search icon here. This place is search icon. Hope you are seeing this place here. This search apps and games. So click here and search for DUP. So DUB. So that is it. Then click on enter. Then click on install. Click on install. Now, if this app is not on your Play Store, which I doubt it, if it's not on your Play Store, don't worry, there's a website for it, but that one will be taught later. First of all, download this app on your phone and click on open. Once you have downloaded, click on open. Or once you have installed, click on open. Just follow me carefully. If you show you this thing, you can just click on allow. Then when you open the app, you'll be shown this interface, something like this. It might not be the exact thing, but it'll be something like this. So you're going to see, if you look down here, you're going to see templates. Then you see this plus button. Then you see this profile. Now, I want you to go to profile. Click on profile. Now when you click on profile, they'll tell you to sign up. Sign up means creating an account with them. So you can input your email and input your email password. No, sorry. You tell you to sign. You said to sign in. Sign in means to log in. You understand that this one is for people that already have account, but we don't have account. You are just starting now, so you click on this place, sign up. You understand? Click on sign up. Now, before you click on sign up, there's an easy way of signing in without you having to sign up. Just click on this Google. If it's working for you, click on this Google. It's very easy. Click on Google. This Google icon here. Click on it. Then it's going to load up your Google account for you, like your Gmail. Any of your Gmail, just click on any of your Gmail address, and it's going to automatically. So you click on any of your Gmail address. This one is much more easier. If you click on any of your Gmail address, it's going to, let's say I click on this. Let me use this. I'll click on this, for example. So this one doesn't require more stress. You're just going to authenticate with your smartphone, and it's going to take you into the app. Just wait. I'm not sure that you have a strong. Can you see that already logged us in automatically? Can you see that? So if you come to this profile now, you're not going to see that login stuff again. You won't see the login stuff again. You understand? You get the point now. You won't see the login stuff again. But let me just log out. Let me log out. So, but this is not the way I want my stuff to be. I don't want to log in like this. In case of people that particular method is not working for their phone. So if the method is not working on your phone, that's method I mentioned. That one that you just log in straight from Google. If it's not working from your phone, then there's another way. So I'm just going to go to my. I want to log out. So I want to clear all my data. Like I don't want to be. I want to clear. I want to make it be as if I'm just downloading the app. So I'm going to long press on this place. Then click on app info. You don't have to do this. So this one is for those that want to restart from beginning again without after logging in, you now have to restart from beginning. So I'll click on storage and cache, and I'll click on clear storage, then delete. So it will delete everything that I've done in the app and restart from scratch again. Just like I'm just downloading the app. Can you see? So allow, then go to profile again. Can you see? Then I click on sign up here. If this one is not working for you, then click on this sign up. Then you now import your email. Let's say my email is Silverback Academy. Alhamdulillah. So your email is Silverback Academy. That's my own email, my email account. You can input your own email account. Then input your password. Which password you want to use? Let's say for example I want to use Siwak Academy or Siwak Video Rumble. Let me just give it just a Video Rumble 2024. So for example, I'll use this Siwak Video Rumble 24. So please, this is your password. After clicking on it, just go and copy it somewhere. Copy it somewhere, and we put it there so that anytime you want to log in, that's where you will be put. That's where you will be copying it from, because you might forget. So I'm going to paste password there too. Then I click on continue. Okay, this is my email already registered. Look, let me use the email that's not registered. Let me use this email. It's not registered. So it's telling you that they will send a verification code to your email. So I'll go to my email address now, and I'm going to my email address. This is my Gmail here. I'll come to this place, and I'm going to go to my camera cooler. Then can you see this is the email address here? So this is 9074. It's 9074 that is the verification code. Please follow me. 9074. Verify now. So I've shown you two ways of signing in to DubDub now. Two ways of signing in. The first way is by clicking on the Google icon and choose your email. That's very easy. Then second way is this. Now once you have already signed in, it will ask you these questions. First of all, it will ask you, please select your age range. So you can select your age range. If you are under 15, click on under 15. If you are 15 to 30, click on it. So if you are above 50, click on it. So I'll click on 15 to 30, then click on continue. Then it will ask you what you will be using DubDub for. You can choose anyone that concerns you. So I'll click on this freelancer, or you can click on personal, anyone you want. Click on continue. Then it will ask you this again. Just click on promotional ads or anyone you want. Click on it, then click on submit. So click on submit here. Now when you are done with this stuff, now it now remains for us to start creating our videos. To start creating the videos. Now, as I mentioned, this particular app turn ordinary image to videos, and I'm going to be particularly what I mean by that. Now, to create your videos, before creating video, let me just go to this profile again to be sure that you are logged in. So can you see our profile? You are already logged in. Now if you look here closely, you see that it's telling you that you are in the free package, meaning you have 10 credits. They'll give you 10 credits. They'll give you 10 credits for free. You understand? Now this 10 credits is to finish, but there's a way to increase this credit. When your credit is finished, there's a way to increase it. Or when your credit I want to finish, there's a way to be increasing it. You understand? For free. Now the way of increasing it, if you don't watch this video to the end, you won't know how to increase it. That's why I'll tell you to watch this video to the end to know how to increase your credit for free. If you don't watch it to the end, you won't know how to increase it. Now let's get started. Now to start working, to start creating your videos, click on this plus button. This plus button at the middle here. This plus button. Then they're going to tell you that you can either generate AI avatar or you should upload your photo. I'm going to click on upload your photo. Then it show you some guide on the photos you can upload. You these are it. Don't upload photos that the person is not mouth is not showing properly, or is dark, is not clear enough, or the person is facing sideways. Things like that. So look at the one that's showing here. It's very clear. It's very clear. So click on got it. Now it's going to show you your gallery. Now for now we don't have photo to use. Let me just go and get some photos that I will use. And I also get the script. The script means what you want the message you want to pass through the video, like what you want the image to be saying. Now I'm going to go to Chrome. Now I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to search for baby AI podcast video. So I'm going to use a baby for the video. So I'm going to search for baby AI podcast images. So I'm going to click on this Chrome. This Chrome here. I'll search for baby AI podcast, podcast image. You can actually choose any stuff. So click on images here. See, click on images here. So you're going to see many examples. Yo, I'm going to choose one of them. So let me choose this. Let me choose this guy. Let me click on this place. Click on it. Or let me choose another person. Click on it. Let me choose another person. Now the one that is kind of clear. Let me use this. I'll click on it. Then I will long press it. Then download the image. Now you can also use some cartoon animations images too. Let me just say I search for I search for let me something like I search for Pixar. This is Pixar cartoon illustration of an old man, for example. So Pixar of a man. Now what Pixar means, Pixar cartoon illustration are cartoons that are like all those Cocomelon cartoons, you understand? So just click on the enter. So I want to see go to images. I want to see different images you can use. You understand? You can always see different images you can use. So but try to not use image with watermark. Like image like this that have watermark. Look at this image now. If you look at this place now, you will see some writings there. So don't use this kind of image. There's watermark there. So just click on any image that you want here. You can use it for the cartoon animation. So let me use this. No, this one have to have watermark here. Can you see it? I don't use this. Anyone that have watermark, I'm not using it. I'm not using one that have watermark. I think most of these images have watermark. No, this one doesn't have watermark, but I don't like this. So choose the one that you actually like. I like this. I like this. So this one actually have watermark, but it's around here. So there's a way we can do it. So I'm going to long press like this. Long press, then download image. Understand? So long press and download image. Download again. If you're using the click on download again. Now we now have a photo we can use. Right? You can use any photo actually, but I want to use cartoon photo so that it will make it more interesting. You understand? So I'll go back to my top AI. This is it here. Then let me start from beginning again so that you are going to be sure what I'm talking about. So click on this plus button. You see the way I'm taking you back again. I'm refreshing your brain like, okay, this is what we have done. So click on this plus button, then click on this upload your photo. Then you click on this place. Choose the image you want. Now you see uploading. So wait till upload finish. If you upload a video that if you upload the image that the mount is not really showing, it's going to reject it. But this one is accepted it. You understand? So I'll click on this next. Then it's saying that is either you can add an audio. So you have to add an audio to this image to make it talk, because what do you want the image to say? Just click on add an audio. As for this, please ignore this, please ignore all these two things. Don't worry, ignore it. Don't worry, ignore it. Now if the audio you are adding must be less than 3 minutes in total audio length, so it cannot be more than 3 minutes audio. So click on add an audio. Then if you have a voiceover, maybe you say if you have a voiceover, you can add your own voiceover. Maybe you have already said something, you have a recording in your phone, or maybe you have already generated a voiceover. That one won't be taught in this particular video, but there's a way of generating voiceover through another website. If you can do that, then you can upload a voiceover. But if you have not done that, you can record a recording here. But I won't do that because I'm using the phone mouthpiece to to record this video, so it won't work. You understand? So this one is for recording. If you click on recording here, click on recording here, click on why using this app. Then if you click here, anything you say with your mouth, anything you say with your mouth is what the AI will say. You understand? So but I'm not using this, so I'll just go back here. They can add an audio here. Now this audio file, if you want to upload audio file, then if this one is video file, if you want to upload a video, I don't think this one is free. Let me see. Okay, if you want to upload a video, that video, anything you say in that video is what the AI will say. You upload a video but it's turned into audio. So I've not used that one before. I don't know that it's free. I didn't know it's free. So if you upload the video, any audio in the video is what the AI will say. You can do that too, but I'm not doing all those things. Let me give you the one that all of us can use. So click on add an audio, then you click on this first one, AI voiceover. So the app will generate you a voiceover by just typing the text. So click on generate human like voiceover. Now you are going to see different AI voiceover, AI characters here. Now all this one that you are seeing that have this crown icon here, this icon here, don't choose it. It's not free. These ones are from the pro plan. So look for the voiceover that doesn't have the crown logo, like this one is free. This two is free. So there are many voiceover you will see that is free. So many, but the one that have all those crown logo is not free. And if you can also choose language here, you can come here and click on language. You can choose Chinese, you can choose any language here, Arabic. You choose Arabic language, type your Arabic word, it's going to generate it for you. You get. I choose language here. So let me click on done. I choose is English. How to choose. So I'll choose all. But let me not choose English. Or just choose all. Just leave it at all. So any language you put is going to say it's here. So that's that for that. Now you see quality. This quality. You know, just leave it way like that. Leave it as all. Everything is actually good. Now gender. This gender, you can actually choose male, female. So gender is male, female. So just leave it as all. Now if you choose male gender, it will only bring you voice over of people that are male. So click on male here, for example. You see that you won't see female characters here. Can you see that everything are male? Everything are male characters. You won't see male characters here. Also age. If you want to choose age, if you want to choose children age, you can choose children age. For example, that's your baby. If it's that you are creating a baby AI podcast, this is children you will use. Click on done. You are going to use children. You can't be using adults. You can't be using adults voiceover for a podcast like AI baby podcast. You can't be using adult video. You can't be using what's it called? You can't be using adult voice for it. Like it won't make sense. You understand? So scenario, you can use scenario, but you can choose the maybe e-commerce. You can choose animation. You can choose any scenario, sports scenario you want. So, but I don't want all this. No, this one just put on all. Just use all. Now this place now language. If it's that you want to create a cartoon that a cartoon that is speaking Arabic, you choose Arabic and it will only display Arabic. It will only display Arabic stuff for you. But I don't want to. Let me put on this one all. So all, so that to display. But can you see that? So all these ones are Arabic AI voiceovers. Now let me just remove all these settings here. Let me just put all. Let me put all here. Let me put all here, and let me just put all here too, so that to display us everything. Now it's telling you that start typing. This, if you look here, you will see that it's telling you that it can only contain 500 words. 500 words. You understand? I'm coming. Let me check first. No, it's not 500 words. 500 characters. It can only contain 500 characters. Character means that if you say hello, that means it's 5 characters. If you put space, that is 6 characters. So that means 500 alphabets can only contain 500 alphabets. As long as if you are generating your voice over from dub directly, it can only contain 500 characters, 500 alphabets. You understand? Yeah. So that means you have to make sure that your script, what you are typing here, does not does not pass 500 letters. If not, it's not going to generate for you. It's to tell you that you should upgrade to Pro. And if you can upload if you can upload a voice recording, you can upload it, or voice over, you can upload it. But if you are generating from dub, then you have to generate something like less than 500 characters. You understand? Now I'm going to be generating my own script from ChatGPT. This app called ChatGPT is an AI, or you can use Meta AI if you have it on your WhatsApp. You even have it on your WhatsApp, or WhatsApp have it. Meta AI. Just go to any AI you want, and let's imagine that I'm selling a jewelry. You understand? So I'll just come here and see that create a also create an advert script for my jewelry store named Crown Jewelry. You understand? And it must not be less than five. Let me put 450, or let me say it must not be less than 480 characters. To be on the safer side, 40 characters. So it generates for me. Now, if you are doing your assignment, if your assignment is not related to business, don't even submit it. Your assignment must be business related assignment. It must be business related. Don't submit assignment for me that is maybe just play assignment. That was not an assignment. That was just a practice video on your own. You understand? That one should not be submitted. But your assignment must be business related. Make sure that you're advertising a business in your assignment. You are promoting a business in your assignment. Don't submit, hello, my name is Kineko, I'm happy to be here. That kind of assignment. Don't submit to say. You can do it, yes, you can do that one later for yourself, but not for submitting the assignments group, because this particular training is to train you on how to create business videos so that you can get clients after the training. It's not that you can be it's not that you should be creating just random videos. If you see a client now, the client ask you that, let me see what you have done so far, and start showing the clients, hello, my name is Kineko, that kind of videos. You want to attract clients to you. So, and that's not our goal. Our goal is to I make you be a client magnet. You understand? So make sure that your assignment must be business related. If not, it won't be reviewed. Now you can see. So you can just come here and click on long press it and click on select text and select from here. Select it from here to this place. Then copy it. After you copy it, then you come and paste it here. Now, after pasting it here, you realize that this thing is already 500 characters. 500 characters. That's because sometimes AI might not be entirely accurate. We told you that it must not be it must not be more than it must not be more than 500 characters. We said it must not be less than 48 characters. So it must not be more than 480 characters instead of saying less than. You understand? So it must not be more than 480 characters. Yes. So this is what we're supposed to say. So long press it, click on select text, then copy it. So I'm going to paste it here. Now this particular icons you are seeing, just delete the icon. Just delete the icons you are seeing here. Then you click on this generate and upload. Generate and upload here. Or you can actually preview it to see how the voice sound like. You can preview it. This voice you are seeing here, anyone you want, you can actually preview it. Let's say I want to use this voice, for example. I want to change this voice to this one that is here now. This one is the voice that is here. This Abby Wood. This one now. I want to change it to this particular guy. This guy here, this white guy here. This one here. So just click on it like this. So it's going to load up the voice for you, and you can be hearing what it sounds like. You understand? So when you click on it,
the story begins on a gloomy night.
Can you see? You can hear how it sounds like before you use it. You can hear how it sounds like. So when any voice you click on here, this voice will not be. It will be sounding the preview for you.
Today is the day to
Can you see that one voice? No, let me click on this preview.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and
Can you see that? So now, as for jewelry store, now I'm going to use a female, but it's a male that I'm using. So let me not use a jewelry store. Let me use a kind of. Let me use. Okay. Let me use something like this. Create another video for my. Okay, let me use my own stuff for my website design service. Well, service. Not less than. Okay, let me use this for example. So if you have any skill before maybe a video editing service, you can use it too. So your business design and just okay. Let me copy this and normally I don't like using AI to do my things, but some of us here might not be able to create a script themselves. That is the reason why I'm using AI for a start for now. So later we'll learn how to create script without using AI at all, or with making the AI look more human. Let me use that one. So now I've choose the voice that I want. Then I click on generate and upload. Yeah, generate and upload. Now I'll click on this make photo, talking photo. See it here, make talking photo. So you see that it's saying that it takes around 10 minutes to process a 1 minute video. So you're going to wait for like 10 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to upload for you. So let us just wait for some minutes and we are going to come back here and we're going to see that it has been processed. Alright, so I'm just going to refresh right now. So to refresh, just pull it down like this. Pull the video down like this. So to refresh. Now, once you have already done this, you can come to finished. This is where all your projects will be, all your past projects and present projects. It should be in finished. So to be here, I'm going to go to all. It's supposed to be here, but it's not here. So click on all. If you click on all, you're going to see everything. Then you click on this download button here. Then download as a video. Make sure it's in video. Please make sure it's in video. And I click on done. So you're going to wait for it. It's going to download to your gallery, your phone gallery, and we are done. Now, in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to your video. Captions means subtitles. If you add through AI, you cannot add subtitles because it's going to tell you to download to get the full version. You understand? So, in the part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how to get your subtitles. Now, as I mentioned in the end of this video, I'll show you how to get more credits, because now that we have created one video, our credit is now in 4.2 credits out of 10 credits that we have in the beginning. Our credit is now in 4.2 credits. That means that our credit is reducing. Now, if you try to create another video, it won't work because the credit is too small to create a video. Now, as I promised that if you watch the video to the end, I'm going to show you how to generate credit for yourself for free. Now, to get new credits, click on this watch an advert. Click on it, start.
attention. You can earn.
Then it's going to load up some adverts for you. Now, after watching the advert, automatically you're going to get 1 credit for free. So click on this cancel button. When you're seeing the cancel button here, then it's going to load up. You see another cancel button again. Cancel button here again. So look at this from 4.2 to 5.2. Can you see that? From 4.2 credits to 5.2 credits. So click on this watch and add again. So as you keep watching an advert, you keep on getting 1 credit for free. You understand? So you can, in your leisure time, maybe if you have time, you can just come here and start watching the advert to get as many credits as possible. You understand? So that's that for that. As I promise, if you watch the end, you are going to know how to get credit for free. Now, some people still come to the group and ask me that, how will you get credit for free? That's because they didn't watch the video to the end. That's how I will catch you. If you don't watch the video to the end, this is where I will be catching you. So click on this cancel button. And as I mentioned, I'm going to be sending you how to create captions. Subtitles is captions. How to create captions to this video. So when you are submitting, make sure you submit it with caption. Don't submit it ordinarily. Submit it with caption, please. That will be the part 2 of this video. This video will be sent to the group, and there will be a part 2 that will be sent below it. Please make sure that you watch the 2 videos before submitting. So that's that for that, guys. After we have created our video, let us just quickly watch the video. Now to watch the video, go to your phone gallery. It's going to be there. Your phone gallery is going to be there. And go to photos. So go to phone gallery and go to. It's going to be in download. So go download. Sorry, download. Where is download button? Safe. Okay, it's going to be in movies. It's going to be in movies here. So it's going to be in phone gallery. Just search it. You can see just place here. You want to watch it here. Please.
Your business deserves more than just an online presence. It deserves a website that converts visitors into paying clients. With my professional website design service, you will get a modern, mobile-friendly, and SEO-optimized site built to impress and sell. Whether you run a small business, a personal brand, or a growing company, I'll design a site that...
So as can you see that now in the next video you're going to learn how to cancel this watermark, and also how to cover any type of watermark that is in your video. You understand? So I'll see you guys in the next video. I will see work. Peace out.